Hey, what is up everybody? Let me show you how you can connect your iPhone and Spotify to your TV so you can listen to pretty much any music you like. So if I play, pause, change, whatever I do, it will automatically be synced on my TV. Super cool. As you can see, it's pretty cool. Let's jump right into it. Super simple, super easy. You need to have Spotify on your iPhone. It really doesn't matter what iPhone you have, just have to make sure you have Spotify downloaded on your iPhone. As you can see, I have it right there. Now, if you don't have that, you really don't have to worry about it. Just go to the App Store. You can see we have the Spotify right there. I have it on my iPhone, so I really cannot download it again. I can just open it, but that is pretty much all you have to do. Now, you know that you really need to be connected to internet to use Spotify. So go to the settings page, go to the Wi-Fi settings, and make sure you're connected to some sort of Wi-Fi connection, or just you can use mobile data as well if you want to. In this case, I am connected to my internet connection and my Spotify is logged in and is running basically. So once you have Spotify, that is pretty much all you have to do. Next up, what you want to do is tap on the home icon on your Spotify and go to your profile settings. Tap on the profile. Inside, once you click your profile, you will get these settings, super simple. Now inside this, you want to go into the settings and privacy settings right there, super simple. Tap on that. Now inside the settings, you want to go into the apps and devices right there. Click on that and make sure you have these options clicked in. First up is the Spotify control. Second up, local device visibility. Now you really don't need these, but you just have to make sure the Spotify is working correctly before we actually do this. That is pretty much all you have to do on your iPhone. Now let's jump to the TV and let's do this. All right, on your TV, it really doesn't matter what TV you have. So in this case, this is a Samsung TV and you can see we have Spotify. But if you don't have that, you really don't have to worry about it. Just go to your TV's Play Store. In this case, I'm just gonna go into the apps, basically, Samsung App Store. Inside the Samsung App Store, you wanna search for Spotify. So let's just type Spotify. So I'm just gonna type in Spotify, there you go. We have Spotify right there. Now, as you can see, I have downloaded this. So it's just gonna open it basically. This is what you get. Really don't need to log in or sign up for free on your TV. So we have Spotify on our iPhone. So just tap on your Spotify. It doesn't matter what you're listening to. All you have to do is just whatever you're listening to, just tap on play. All right, so whatever you're listening to, tap on this tiny icon right next to the shuffle button right there. Tap on that, and it should automatically show you all the TVs that are running near you or on the same network. Again, it really doesn't matter if they are on the same network. They just need to be close to each other. Now, once you see your TV, all you have to do is just tap on that. They just do that. Now just wait for it. It will automatically, there you go. There you go. Now whatever you play, it should automatically be, actually, never mind. I did not click on anything. You can see we are listening to Drake and it's connected. So let me just type in something. So once you tap on Weekend, it should automatically play Weekend. Really simple. Really simple and awesome. That is pretty much it. And if you want to close it, super simple, tap on the devices again and just tap on your iPhone. Tap on your iPhone, it is disconnected pretty much. And actually shows you the music is playing on your iPhone, not on your TV. Now let me show you how you can disconnect it from the TV completely. Super simple. Go to your profile in the corner right there, tap on that. And you can see there is a remove option right there. All you have to do is just tap on that and there you go. It's like you weren't even there. Now, if you want to do this again, once you disconnect it, if you want to do this again, go to any music that you're playing, tap on that tiny shuffle icon, tap on that tiny icon below the shuffle button. So tap on that and you should be able to see your TV right there. Just tap on your TV and voila, just give it a couple seconds and it should be connected. It should be connected with exact music that you're playing, by the way. As you can see right there, see? Super simple. Well, that's pretty much it for the video. I'm Riz, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.